Hello and welcome to my new class, Watercolour Expressions inspired by Autumn. My name's Imran, I'm a graphic designer and illustrator, and I absolutely love the season of autumn, where the wonderful colours on the leaves and on the trees are merging and turning into these gorgeous warm oranges, yellows, vibrant reds, sepia browns. It's so inspirational as you go for your daily walks or your daily chores, looking at the environment and seeing how these beautiful colours change. I find it super inspirational, and that's the reason I've done this class, so that you can be inspired and enjoy these wonderful colours and bring them into your artwork using watercolour. So in this class we're going to start off by going through some simple exercises for you to follow. We're going to be looking at how watercolour can be applied in a few different ways to produce different outcomes and different effects. We're also going to look at how we can use inking mediums that can be added to add some detail, but do remember this class is not about detail. This class is about being loose in your watercolour, so you want to express yourself nice and easily. We don't want to get bogged down with doing so many details and getting stressed. No, we don't. We want to relax with our watercolours and enjoy this process of just getting those colours down and watching the magic happen on our paper. So what we're going to be doing is looking at how these colours also merge into each other by just using a simple primary colour palette, and then we're going to start doing some exercises to see how ink and how watercolour affects each other and what type of results we can get. And then we're going to be doing a beautiful step-by-step sketch and painting that will get you all warmed up and ready for your class project. This class is all about relaxing with watercolours and being inspired by those beautiful autumn colours that we see, especially in this part of the season where you've got these gorgeous greens and warm oranges and yellows. Just take a stroll outside, especially if you're watching this at autumn time. Have a look at those beautiful trees and those leaves and see the magic of autumn create these gorgeous colours, and get inspired. Come back home and start doing the class. So grab yourself a nice drink, get yourself a nice cake, sit back, relax, and don't stress, and get ready for the adventure of watercolour expressions being inspired by autumn. And I'll see you on the next one.